Our Instant Pot chicken wings are covered in a sweet and spicy honey sriracha sauce, and they're so easy to make. In a bowl, combine garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Pat the wings dry with a paper towel. Season generously on all sides. In a skillet, add honey, sriracha, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and garlic. Mix to combine everything together. Once boiling is reached, reduce the heat to simmer and cook for about 10 minutes until it begins to thicken. Pour in chicken broth to the bottom of your Instant Pot. Arrange the wings on top of the trivet. Cook for 8 minutes on high pressure. Brush your wings with honey sriracha sauce and broil in the oven on high for 2 minutes. They come out perfectly crispy every time. You can find more easy Instant Pot recipes on our website.